Alright, hello guys, I am back. Oh hey, a nap, we love that. Yeah, so we are back. I am absolutely exhausted after, recent uni events, so I am going to just have a nice chill time with you guys. And yeah, we're just gonna make some art, may add it to the game, and may release kind of a 0.6.1 to kind of go along with that. But yeah, today is just going to be a little bit chill. I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice. I am so done with this week. But I've got a uni break, so I can kind of rebuild my energies. Yeah, so let's jump into it. Let's just bam. Alright, so I'm going to be using the same template as we made last time, but I also wanted to make some cinnamon jelly beans and some chocolate blocks, because I thought that would be cute. So yeah, we're just going to be working from this. I'm pretty sure I just called them ice cream blobs, and we're just going to be working from this template. I'm just going to turn this off. Yeah, because, people like chocolate. I like chocolate. White chocolate specifically, but I cannot resist. So alright, so I'm just gonna I'm kind of two minds about this. I kind of want to either make it like a straight on square and then add some detail to it and then rotate it with the program and see how that looks, and then if that doesn't work out, I'll just make it on a slight angle just for visual interest. So let's jump into it, and that's a nice chocolate color. I'm just gonna, because I know that this is, I don't know, I should probably make it like 12 by 12. I have a tool for that. There we go. And yeah, it's just, it's been an interesting time. My fish Sherlock is kind of, he's getting used to his surroundings. Actually, what we're gonna do is gonna be like one of those top deck ones with the. Can I do that? I think I can do that. No, let's see. I kind of should probably be making that on a new layer. There we go. We'll kind of draw out the corners, and then we can draw out whatever other space we have. But this doesn't look bad. Whoop. Looks cute. So I'm just drawing out these shapes. I'll probably just, because chocolate seems to be chocolate Tetris box. Hey, look, that's probably not a bad idea, honestly. I'll see how I can incorporate it. I think it could happen. Alright, so the feeling that I'm getting here is that I don't really like the look of this, so instead of this new layer, we're gonna do my usual black and white thing. And I'm gonna say the light is coming from, where's the light coming from for the ice creams? So it's coming from the top right, top left. I know my right to left. And I'm actually gonna, oops, wrong layer, guys. I did the thing again. I'm just going to draw out the shape as such, and then I will be doing the bottom right. And so we're going to draw out the shape by using the shadows. I kind of want to make it 10 by 10 just because I can have that nice shape. So what we're going to do is carve, oi. That Australian oi came out. I'm going to have that 10 by 10. Because, well, what about good Australian licorice? I've got something special planned for licorice. I mentioned in a previous stream, you must have missed it. Basically, licorice blocks will, licorice strands will. Oh no, I did it again. Alright, you guys gotta remind me about my layers this time, because apparently I'm off my game. Yeah, what was I gonna say? You gotta shoot licorice blocks that come at you, and you have to do it in time, otherwise you will get some major damage. Then I'm going to go with the black, gonna go underneath. Oop. There we go. That paints it out. Actually, I think I might just go in and there we go. Just go and delete that one. So when I take that down to the 15 that we usually do, might even need 5. So that's that just looks weird to me. I don't know, something about that. It looks like it's floating. I don't know if I'm actually, what if I just take it down even lower? I think that will fix it. No, that just still looks like it's floating. It looks like I've got a chocolate Lego block. All right. Time for some creative solutions. In that case, I could try to change the coloring on this actually. What if I do that? And then that. How does that do? No, that doesn't really fix the issue. I think I should actually have to go all the way around to create that kind of block shape. So what if I just put like a mid-range one here? Then you can't see it. All right, well that will have to do. No, that just looks like a weird shape. All right. I'm reasonably happy with this. Yeah, actually that looks about right. That looks like it's not popping out. It's good. I am happy with this chocolate. I'm going to make it more interesting with my hash pattern. And I think I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do it in black. It should come out really dark. That's what we want. We want some dark to our chocolate. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm like keeping the enthusiasm alive. Yeah, so here we go, and we're just going to, wrong shape, undo, copy paste, and god, all right, I did that wrong. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna make sure that I'm gonna select slightly less actually, because then I can just go, there we go. And then we can carry that down. That works. That works for my brain. There we go. Because I don't know, I like a texture. Although chocolate is smooth, I'm just going to. That doesn't mean it should be boring. Oh God, what have I done? What have I done? It looks like some kind of QR code or something. Okay. So, this is going to be our chocolate as it is. Oh, that was not a good time for anybody. Duro stream completely. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do like a special stream for that, because I don't know if that's the first impression I want to make, but I definitely like the idea. Warning, sass. All right, so I'm gonna use the first I'm gonna delete that monstrosity that destroyed everything, and then I am going to, that's my little chocolate block thing. We are going to merge with the previous because I'm happy with the shape. It doesn't have any weird colors that I need to overlay. And we're going to effects, rotate, right. Oh no, it rotates it by an entire unit. That's not what we want. Great for April Fools. Just missed it. I don't remember how to rotate. Somebody help me. I know it exists. Come on brain. Is it? Oh, it's down. It's down here. Wait, I just need to select how much I'm going to be rotating. There we go. Oh no, it completely chewed up my beautiful. It completely chewed everything up. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but I rotated by a little bit, and all my hard work is gone. It just looks like it just looks like a very square poop. All right, so we're just gonna hold on to that as it is, because yeah, I don't really want to make square. I don't want to make rhombuses right now. So yeah, we're gonna live with this. It's looking super cute, and I am going to be, yeah. Not everything has to be like super interesting all the time. And this is 11 by 11. Oh no, no, not allowed to do that. So I can just perfectly line it up with this. Oh, cute. I think a nice pink will go with that. I don't know, brown and pink has always been like a fashion staple, I think. Someone please correct me. I clearly don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's... Oh, this is so easy to line up. Ah, like a macaron. Yeah. Hey, I don't know what kind of macarons you've been eating. No, leave me alone. I don't know, restore. I'll find out what that is later. It just keeps invading my streams, my games, my life. Alright, so yep. Oi. And I mean this is chill. I'm gonna have like a massive jelly bean though at this rate. There we go, line that up there. Yep. And yep. Got my precision voice on. You guys can enjoy the goodness out of that. Alright. Now I really need to focus. These ones are tiny. Alright. Come on. There we go. At least I can kind of eyeball the alignment there. Kind of. I still don't trust myself. Alright, I'm going to... Oh wait, hold on. There we go. Wonderful. And now for the hardest one. Alright, I'm going to line it to the right here. And then I'm going to drag it up. Drag it up. Drag it up. Someone's going to make a really horrible pop song out of it. I know it. Wait. Knit. 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 That. I think you should make a grid alignment that can turn on and off of these things. Yeah, I don't think this app is pretty small and doesn't come with that feature, but I like the thinking. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna do what I usually do, which is I'm just gonna select yay much. I only need yay much. And then I'm going to just align it with itself. Look at that majestic solution. That is true. I could have, I wish that I could add grid lines. But yep, there we go. I'm just going to turn off the ice creams, make this a nice pink color. When I say nice pink color, oh lord. Alright, how about just a little bit gentler? That looks like a peach. Is there a thing darkening? Yep, alright. That would make the difference. So yeah, I've got to say, I definitely like that one a little more. It's kind of rose and chocolate. I can live with that. It would be interesting to see if I can make those, oh, draw a grid as a separate layer. That's a fantastic idea. I will actually do that right now. Using my line tools. See, Adam is a genius. I don't know if any of you have heard of the famous Adam before, but he's about to win whatever the Nobel Prize equivalent is for design. Alright, so... Bam. Luckily these are all 11s, so I can just go bam. I'll just draw them in one direction, then I'll go from the other. You are a fucking genius, mate. Probably shouldn't be swearing. You're a bloody genius. There we go. That's the appropriate level of emotion I wish to express right now. Alright, so... Oh, no. Can't do that. Gotta start from a good foundation. There we go. The music today is really tribal. I haven't got a problem with it, I'm just really confused. Oh hey, it's a good thing you suggested the grid idea, because, you know, it turns out two of my things weren't aligned properly, and I wouldn't have had a clue. Oh wait, are they? No, they're aligned properly. And it looks like it comes from this side. Yep, cool. That's good. I love it. Alright, so I'm happy with this background, so I'm going to export it. I don't know if I want to make those chocolate blocks a danger, so to say, a threat to the player, but we'll see how it goes. And we're just going to save this out. We're going to save it to choco-block. I'm just having a great time this stream. It's a nice break from the really serious, like, this is what I'm gonna do next and this is why I'm going to do it. Alright, Choc-Plug BG. That seems about good. I'm gonna save it to the small size for now to see if I want to change up the background later. And while we're at it, I'm actually also going to save the BG stuff. So the reason is that I do actually want to add some really nice gradients to my work, just because I feel like that would be much nicer. So you're going to be seeing something even more visually interesting than this beautiful masterpiece I've created. Yeah, so what we're going to do next is we're going to make the cinnamon jelly bean things. So let's just move this layer down so it isn't making my life uncomfortable. Alright, so jelly beans are a really weird shape. They're kind of like a jelly bean, ironically. Alright, so I'm going to... Oh no, that's not what we want. Wait, is it? Oh, no it isn't. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to kind of trace a shape of a jelly bean, and then we will refine it. Oh god, this needs a little bit more. There we go. It's a really weird shape. That looks approximate. Alright, so I'm going to start kind of carving it out from this mess that I've made. Oh wait, it looks like a bean. I keep on thinking, like, for some reason that I can't... That looks beanular. No, that looks more like a banana now. What have I done? That looks... Oh, actually, if I can bring that back in a little bit more. Yeah, that looks like a bean. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it's too long. I'm just gonna... Maybe that's it. Hey, it was too long. There we go. There is our bean. I'm pretty happy with its beaniness. And we're going to add the lights and shadows, but first we got to add like the did I do anything with this? Yes, I did. I'm just gonna add like the little fonty bit. There we go. It could say something. There we go. Beanula. Bean-tastic. Yeah. Again, I'm sorry that the stream is like 20 seconds behind. You will be recognized eventually. I actually found out about the cursed Reddit beans on things they shouldn't, I think. Alright, so we've got the bean shape, we've got the little bit of writing on it. I'm gonna start adding the shadows and things. Actually, isn't that supposed to be in the middle of the bean? Let me just... Boop. Oh, wait, hold on. That wasn't a new layer. I'm a genius. I can just go there. Now it's in the middle of the bean. Oh, God. Yeah, no, baked beans. Now my nightmares. I don't know. I am offended by those food crimes. Alright, following in suit with the rest of our light directions, I'm just going to do that. Going to bring this down by 1 because I feel like it. And we're going to carve out this shape right here. Oh, maybe not so far. Let's go there. And then we're going to take it down to a good 15%. We want it to be noticeable, but not take it over. Alright, so this is kind of the issue with round objects. So what I'm actually going to do, in order to actually give it some virtual depth, I'm going to go in and make it one space before the border. And so now you guys can kind of see that it's gotten that shape. It looks like a hot dog now, a bent hot dog. But you guys kind of get the gist that this is now kind of a round shape and the light is kind of hitting the edge that is turned toward us. So yay for lighting tricks. I'm going to turn that down even lower though. Press the wrong button again. To maybe like a 10%, just so it doesn't stick out so nice, so big next to the writing. Maybe it should be more curved. Let's have a look at the beans. I'm obviously very confused about beans. Let's jump into it. Alright, so jelly bean. Alright, thank you. Oh, okay. So it turns out they're less bean like. Seriously? Alright. So I'm gonna make it fatter and add some speckles. Oh, drop the center white to 30%. Alright. Let's do that. Oh, that's good. That's a good suggestion. But what are we looking at? So jelly beans aren't actually really beanular. Then I mean they're a little bit. But they've got they're more like peas really. Well, not really peas, but you know what I mean. So we can actually make this a little bit more chunky. So let's look at our base shape and oh, okay. I'm sorry, my mistake. Alright, so 70% then. I'm a very simple creature. There we go. Yeah, that's actually a lot better. I like that. Thank you, Adam, for that top, Oh. Go away. Go away, Google Drive. Yeah, so we're going to... Wrong layout. Oh. Where is it? There we go. So I'm just gonna make this bean a little bit more chunky like. I don't know. I don't want it to lose all of its shape per se. I don't know, it doesn't even look like a bean anymore. Alright, well like I'm much happier with that shape, and then I'm just gonna trace that. I'm just going to trace the white around it again. But yes, chunky bean. We love our chunk around here. All chunk is welcome. Unless it's, I don't know, rude chunk. Don't be rude about people's chunk. Yeah. Oh, okay. That bean looks a lot more interesting. We'll see how it goes. Did I drop that to 30 or not? I mean, I'm gonna take that down a little bit more to 50. I don't know, oh, there we go. Oh, we got some Arabian vibes. I'm enjoying this like Arabian beatbox. Alright, so I'm alrightish with this bean. Let's take the chocolate out. Do you think anyone's gonna know it's a jelly bean though? I'm a little bit concerned about my art skills. I mean, what if I just remove this bit? No, wrong layout. What if I just... Nope. That is not the answer. There we go. That is the answer. Maybe. Does anyone see this as a bean? I need some of that good old peer review. If anyone's got any other ideas of candy that I could do, because I got something planned for the licorice. Alright, I mean I could make it other fun colors. How about a green? Good old green. Oh god, wrong layer. Good old green. Maybe like a darker green. There we go. It looks like a bean. Maybe. Kind of. Hey, look, this is part of the experimental stage. Make it a purple. I really didn't have No, I do like the red on it. What about the dark red? Nope, nope. That just makes it look like the dreaded licorice flavored beans. All right. I'm gonna stick with this shape. And then we're going to take it around the world, so to say. I love it. I love it. All right. No. Hold on. There we go. We are adjusting our bean. Okay. I get what you mean. I see it. I see it. There we go. That's it. Now I just need to go in and fix that up. See what I mean? The man's a genius. There we go. That looks beanular. That looks like a bean. I'm happy with this beaniness. I'm going to be... actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of all these layers because I'm still kind of unsure about this. And then we will... then I'll merge those because I'd rather be able to come back to this than not. So let's just move that up. And move that all the way up. How would you write that? Is that URP? Up. I don't know. Chat your ideas. Leave some comments. Is that how you do engagement? There we go. Now I'm just going to merge with the previous. Yes. And merge with previous. So we should have our very beanular bean. Yep. So that should have all the components. Yes, it does. And let's start our alignment process. So let's turn our grid on. That was very smartly applied by person who I like a lot. There we go, Adam. Good channel attendee. No. I've seen an issue. Stop everything. I gotta be a diva. There we go. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna pop that, align it there like so. Align it there like so. Oh wait, no. Off by a little bit. Bam. Bam. No, you don't have to threaten us with violence. Look, I'm just a very passionate person. It comes out in a lot of different ways. Alright, cool. That seems to... Yep, I'm happy with that setup. And now I'm just going to... do what we usually do, which is get very confused about how everything's aligned. Well, I mean, me. I don't know about you guys. There we go. And we're going to change the background color so it's not so grating, because I just don't feel like that green and the... something about that does not sit well with me. Alright, so we're going to turn our grid off and we're going to change the background. We're going to go through a few different colors because I'm not sure what will work. Blue, maybe? Oh god, that's maybe a brown? I don't know. Oh wait, I forgot to give it speckles. Shame on me. I don't know. It could be like a lemon. It could be like a watermelon one. Those ones don't have speckles. See, yeah. See, like this is why exactly why I take your advice. You're a genius. You're a genius, man. Oh, actually, the green and white looks good. I feel like it gives off minty vibes though. But hey, maybe it's a mint thing. You don't know. I don't know. I'm working with it. Alright, just gonna let the stream catch up with me. Yeah. See, you've got it all figured out. Let me just pop up my... There we go. Color wheel. I could do red, pink, or orange. But I do rather like the white. I wasn't expecting the white to go so well. Let's see what we've got. Oh, my spine. There we go. Alright, yes, my stomach, I hear you. Alright, and then Minty. Minty mint. Sure, why not? Alright, white is sassy. I love it. The sassy white. Alright, minty mint. There we go. And yeah, alright. Let's load up our Unreal. Hopefully it'll load up the right project. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to shut the entire stream down. I'm joking. Yep, okay. Awesome. Plaque Blaster. We're good. We're good, fam. Alright, so overall I'm really happy with these backgrounds. I want to see how they look like in-game. Yeah, so let's jump into it and see how that goes. Oop-a-doop. Alright, so I don't know why the movie player keeps popping up. But what we're going to do is, I'm pretty sure I've done some blueprints on this from last time, if I can remember. Yep, alright, so yep, switch on int, and I'm just going to add a few more by default and by so it's going to be set to cherry by default, just because that's what is it set to now? Help. Alright, so cherry V, just V. So the first one, I would assume. There we go. And we're going to import the other assets. So that's going to be in there under the HUD. I should really separate these sometime. Hold on. Are you guys seeing the cherry one in here? I'm not. Images. HUD. I've lost my background. Where is it? I'm sure it's somewhere in this project. Ah, there it is. Where are you? Game art assets. Just in art assets? Is it just hanging around? It is just hanging around. Alright, how dare it. Alright, we're gonna have to add a new folder for this. So I'm just gonna be adding a new folder called BG. I'm going to put all of these inside it. So that's shift select, and I'm going to be moving it to BG, waiting for it to do its thing. And then I'm going to move BG into HUD. So heads up display for those people joining for the first time and enjoying the wonderful lyrical voice of me. Alright, so now we've got this set up. Let's just pull up our file stuff. Alright, let's pop you to the other screen. I like that. Alright, so we're just going to open up our folder and carry in the 3 backgrounds that we made. Going to make the necessary adjustments. And where is it? It's called ice cream plop or something. Where is it? Did I just save it and then just... Oh, cool. Alright, so let's just pop back over here. Turn this on. Turn those off. I'm pretty sure I had a blue background for that and had it a little bit more muted. There we go. Let's pop back in here. I'm just gonna call it ice cream because I am internal. Are we not all internally screaming? All right, save. Actually, let's just do a quick thing where we yep. Let's just turn it all up by 8. Ice cream. I mean, as if that's not like the first thing that everyone comes to. Yep. HUD. Let's save it. Oh, wait, no. Ice cream big. Can you tell I have a naming convention? Oh my god, you don't think that's a mess? I'm embarrassed by it, certainly. So back to the white and switching it over. I don't know, like it's always a case of self-improvement, I would think. Like, you don't just, let's just save that and then just, where is it? Minty Mint, and then I can just call it Minty Mint Big. God, now I've just switched over to oh, I love it, Karuna. Always screaming. Yeah, I'm pretty sure at least one of us is always internally screaming. Alright, so not that one. There we go. And then we're going to be removing the... let's stay consistent. There we go. PNG times 8. We're just going to save that and then chock-a-block big, and let's make those... No, stop. Stop. I'm busy. Can't do this right now. Alright, cool. That's all done. That is now... Let's just import this. I'm going to delete this now. Yep, delete it. Doesn't have anything attached to it just yet. And this is probably a good time to talk you guys through the difference between images, sprites, and flipbooks. So images are what I've imported here, which we're now going to go in and edit to the nearest filter, which is how it calculates where everything is. I'm just going to do a little sneaky and just go filter. And so what it's going to do is to the nearest. I don't think it's going to be necessary for this one because the size is 1024. But it's a good practice to just do that if you're doing lots of little pixel art things. Alright, so ice cream. I mean, like, uni, my job, there's always something to scream. Yeah, that sounds about right. What are you studying in uni? I never asked you what you're studying. I kind of always assumed you work and that's it. Because, you know, I'm sometimes a bit of a dunce. No, we don't want to touch that. No. We don't touch things that we don't know what they do. Alright, there we go. Oh, so I think you guys can see it there. So if you look at this little bean right here, when I change it to nearest, it kind of gets its more of a definition. So that's why we're doing this and why it's good practice. Always change your filters, kids. Actually change your filters for everything because that can sometimes make your life a pain. Alright, so from here I'm going to change these into sprites. So sprites are these special objects that will always face the player. So lots of people use it for grass, foliage, I don't know, things that like you wouldn't... Oh, clouds as well. So natural things that wouldn't... oh, my uni adventures, yes. Oh my god. Yeah, you're talking about me. Yeah, I've got got a lot to scream about. Yeah, so they will always face the player. So it's better for natural objects that players won't be kind of phased by weird movement or kind of like... I don't know, you can't do it with a dog's face because that would just be weird. But you can do it with kind of things that the player won't really notice but, you know, has some life to it. So from there, I'm going to create... Oh, no. Okay, so... I don't know if you guys can see what's going on there, but it's taken those... three images and made them into a little GIF or flipbook, as to say. So let's not... And let's go do that individually. Alright, flipbook. Sure, why not? My naming convention is embarrassing. I apologize to all of you. Sprite actions. Oh wait, no. We want to create a flipbook. And then we're going to create a flipbook. There we go. So there's that. Alright, yeah. It's a job. Keeps you fed. All right, so now we've got these four. I'm now going to those those three options. So we're going to be setting flipbook, and we don't necessarily need this here. We're just going to drag it down from here. And what have we called? We called it chock-a-block. Oh, it's so nice when I name things in fun and unique ways. First of all, I remember what I call it. Set flipbook. And we're also going to set flipbook. Alright, so we've also got the Minty Mint. And we have got the... Oh, there we go. Just they're having a bit of chat about jobs while I'm trying to concentrate. I love it. Got some self-managing chats. Alright, so I'm just going to connect this BG component. I'm going to move this down for readability. There we go. Alright, so now we've actually got to add, we've got to kind of set that. Set that as a thing. I'm wondering how it's going to happen. I think instead of changing the background, it's going to have to be an event tick thing. So it's going to check for every time there is a change. Because this is animated, I feel comfortable doing this. Let's... Oh, hey! Hey, Kuruko. Love to have you here. Love it. And what else have we got? Oh, I really like this song, actually. Oof. It's got some, it's got a solid head bob going. So inspirational and kind of orchestral. I love it. Anyway, while I'm getting distracted, so how are we going to do this? So I'm going to be going in and I feel like for the purpose of testing, I'm going to be going into the player blueprint and we're going to make the changes there. Ooh, Adam, you're up to some fun stuff. Good on you, mate. Also, you didn't email me and I'm upset with you. But you know, like not the biggest thing. Alright, so we've got that. Why is this aligned weird? What have I done? I don't understand. Sorry, I just need to fix it. It's hurting me. It's hurting me. Alright. There we go. And that's the last one. Alright, so I'm actually going to use a randomized value just for the purpose of testing. I kind of want to turn this into a function, I'll be honest, because it's a repeating thing. But just for the purposes of now, we're going to do a bit of a cast. Ship game mode, and we're going to game mode. Distractions. Oh, you can't hear it? Is it just too quiet? Can you guys hear the music? Oh, okay. How about that? You guys like that? You like the musics? Distractions for Pixel. Yeah. Hey, look. I'm pretty sure you guys have found out that my attention span can sometimes it's inconsistent. There we go. Yeah, so the music has been turned up, so I will find out in 20 seconds if it's good enough for you guys. So ship game mode, set, oh, what are we gonna doing? We're gonna be setting the BG. Yep, there we go. And then we're just gonna use a random integer for that. Random integer, there we go. And the max is gonna be 3 because we're going 0, 1, 2, 3. And yeah. That should do the thing. And you know what? I can actually probably yeah, no, I'll set up a function for this. I don't like repeating code. Alright, are you guys ready? I'm ready. Let's just oh wait, hold on, that's the intro. Alright, that's okay. I'll delete my game data. I don't mind. Oh my god, guys, you ready? I love it. I love the emotional commitment. Oh, there we go. Settings, gameplay, delete save. Yes, I'm sure. I love it. All right. Um let's start the game. Oh god, I forgot how slow it is. Yeah, when you're testing. Bam. Bam. All right, at least it makes these kind of easy to do. So the game is actually 3 times as fast when you're doing live testing with the build. But you know, it's a good opportunity for me to get points in. Hold on. Is it just me or is my score just not going up? We'll find out. Oh god. No, it didn't get to it in time. Oh god. Don't shoot me. Hi, Captain. Alright, so did I not make it past the first level? Or did it just set did it just set the thing? I'm not entirely sure. Not entirely sure what happened there. Alright, so I'm going to just risk because I want to see it change. So break link and then break link. Yeah, so that did not help the situation at all. But what I'm going to do is, for the purpose of testing, I'm going to move this somewhere else. So maybe move it. I don't know. I'm going to move it in here actually. Oh lord. Alright, so that's going to be there. And it's going to be there. This wave counter set. And then so it's going to happen before every wave. Alright, works for me. Alright, so let's jump back into it. Yeah, so Adam says that, but he's like a professor of linguistics and design and writing, and he's just a gem. Alright, so why do you hurt me like this? You know what? I'm just gonna... I think this is one of those situations where I have to give myself... Yeah, I'm just gonna give myself god powers. Alright, so... I'll have to do that later. We'll just have to delete the save every time, because... Oh wait, no, I have an idea, guys. I have an idea. I just gotta change the one. Oh, wait, hold up. That's what's happened. Alright, I'm just gonna... Because right now it's going straight to... Because this wasn't connected to anything, it went straight from 0 to 1 to 2, instead of running through the thing. So that should hopefully... Wait, what's up? What's going on? Oh, okay. So that's the enemy spawner that runs through all of this, I think. No? What? Is that what I use for testing? I think that's what I use for testing. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Oh, well, look at you. Okay, how many do we have in there? Okay, that didn't do anything. Alright, let's just make all of these easy so that... Does that have that... Going to paste that there. It's gonna have it pasted in a few locations at this rate. I want to see it change. Why won't it change? I'll incorporate God mode later for the noobs like me who can't play my own game, even on easy mode. There we go. So now that's all on intro level easiness. Alright, so... Alright, that's good. Game is just for the... just for the purpose of just trying to get through this. So if it doesn't change after this, I'm gonna be a little bit upset, I'll be honest. But that's okay. Oof. Those things are fast. Alright, so I want to know why. Alright, so it looks like this background is have I huh. Alright, so I'm thinking in terms of maybe it's a scene object. It doesn't seem to be intaking data, but that's a different problem for a different day. My voice is starting to kind of crackle a little bit, so I think I'll call it. But I'll definitely update you guys on how I get this stuff done. But it's been a really fun pixel art session for me. I've made some nice big backgrounds for my game so I can make screenshots, and so by the time I upload the new build, they will be incorporated and looking really cute. Yeah, but yeah, I'll update you guys next time. Please do keep the engagement going. I really appreciate when you guys, you know, take part and comment, like, subscribe. It's worth as much as money right now because I'm just starting out. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you kind of help me drive my and for YouTube's interest up. But otherwise, I really loved having you guys here. It was lots of fun interacting with you guys and learning more about you. And yeah,